We're going to try some frozen pizza in this little air fryer oven. Usually they're making fresh and around about 15 minutes. This one is a frozen one, so we're going to play with the recipe a little bit. So let's come back here in about 15 minutes and check on it and see how it's doing. Our timer went off on our pizza. Let's check our temperature. Need to be at least 190 to 210 for our pizza to be done. This little thermometer takes a while. Might need to do it for about 3 more minutes, looks like, to get it up a little higher. Yeah, 156, 157. Let's give it a few more minutes here and we'll see what happens. Got our timer set for 5 more minutes. Let's see what happens there after 5 minutes. Well, we are back. It's been an extra 5 minutes. Let's check her out again here. Temp's going to pull out faster. We're past 166. Oh yeah, we're doing good. We might make it this time. Oh yeah. 181 looks like 182. 185, 187, 188. We might get 190. We're going back down. That is real close to 190. Now, I'm going to let it rest in the oven for about 3 or 4 minutes. And then we're going to just eat it because that's real close to being 190. Of course, this is also a real thick pizza. If it was a thin pizza, it probably would have made a temperature by now. So let's let it rest a little bit before we eat it. Thank you guys for watching. And I do so enjoy this new air fryer combination toaster, oven and everything. So it does about everything. You can toast and do bagels and pizza, bake, roast, air fry, boil, do cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, and even rewarm. Wow. Can't wait to try all those features out. Thanks for watching, everybody.